conversation about food. So let's get started our conversation with ChatGPT. So can we start our conversation?
Absolutely. Let's begin. Question 1. Hello, how are you today?
I'm feeling good. What about you?
That's a great response. Very natural and clear. Question 2. Did you eat food today?
Yes, I ate food today.
Perfect. That was simple and clear. Question 3. What did you eat?
I ate 2 parathas with tea in my breakfast.
That's great. Your answer was clear and easy to understand. Question 4. Did you enjoy your food?
Yes, I enjoy my food because that's made by my mother, as well as I like that kind of food which is made by my mother, or that should be homemade. I don't like food which is from outside.
That was a wonderful answer. You expressed your preferences very well. Question 5. Do you like homemade food or outside food?
Yes, I already mentioned that I like homemade food. I don't like to prefer go outside and food eat food from outside. I don't like that kind of food.
It's a great clarification. Your answer was clear and well explained. Question 6. Why do you like homemade food?
Because I'm a that kind of person who like hygiene, as well as I like healthy food, and healthy and hygienic food can be only have at our home.
That's a fantastic explanation. You connected it well with health and hygiene. Question 7. What is your favorite food?
Well, my favorite food is fried rice, and apart from this I like to have curry with rice, so that's my favorite food.
That sounds delicious. You described your favorites really well. Question 8. Do you like spicy food?
Well, no, I don't like spicy food. It like whenever I have spicy food, so that at that time my tongue will feel like it is burning. So I don't prefer that food.
That's a great explanation. You described it very vividly. Question 9. What do you usually eat in the morning?
Well, usually I eat parathas, and apart from this, I just like to have tea in the morning. And if I get a chance, I like to make rice for myself in the morning if I get a chance. But most of the time, I prefer chapatis.
That's a great and detailed answer. You covered all your morning preferences nicely. Question 10. What do you eat at lunchtime?
Well, in the lunchtime, I don't eat mostly. Well, whenever I think that my stomach is bit like my stomach is asking for something to eat, so at that time I just eat something. Otherwise, I don't prefer to eat around the time of lunch.
That's a very thoughtful answer. You explained your lunch habits well. Question 11. Do you drink water regularly?
Yes, I do. I do it on my daily basis. But sometimes, whenever I think that my stomach is full, so at that time I don't have water, or I don't drink water. But I think actually it's normal. Water is very good for our health. So guys, that's all for today, and if you have learned something from this video, then please like it, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.